Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you staircase creation part 2. And look, this staircase I created the part 1 video. You will see it in my channel. And look, this is staircase creation. Look like this at the channel. After you watch this video, you will see another part. The staircase it look like this. Then in this here, what we need to do that is why that is another riser. He doesn't look like reality. How are we going to fix it? It is so easy part is I'm going to show you in this video. And this staircase we already follow based on the design number and based on the archi drawing. We already follow that is 10 and 13 to the 23 riser. We did follow, but it is everything studying out is we have followed based on the archi, but it's not so realistic. How are we going to fix it? Well, look over this staircase. When you see this arrow, he already reached in this level, but doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at like reality. So how are we going to fix in the Revit? So it is easy part. Then we need to we have to check is it setting out or correct or not. Here 150 is setting out from the section 150 is correct. Then how about the riser? And the thread is 175, the riser 172. How about the mid landing from the basement to there? This is the basement line. Basement line 1567. This line is level 1. Here this is 700. Then we will look into the repeat. Slab over this staircase we follow based on the minus 150 from the basement is minus 700 from the first story. It makes sense, but in here in the element in the geometry is not like reality. So how are we going to fix this? Then we have to check all the dimension. Here 172 for the riser is correct. Then how about this? I will call the detail line because I just need to measure for the thread 275. How about the mid landing in here 1567? Based on the cut, it will show you 1567. It all makes sense, but why does it look reality? So this is the main thing. This is the most important thing to fix without changing any setting up. It will be correct. I will show you in this video. Okay, then first of all you need to go to the plan view, the basement plan, and look over this. Okay, you select on the staircase, go into the edit type, go to the edit, look over this. Step from the 1 to 10 is correct. Based on the layout is 10 thread equal 275. It's all correct. 11 to 23 is all correct. It's setting out is all correct. Why doesn't look like a reality? So we need to add on the one more riser over here, so it will be like on-site situation. So what you need to do is just select this staircase, and you can select either 1 or 2. You can modify is it based on the your reference drawing or whatever. This is only we need to select on this guy because we need to add on the one more step without changing the value of riser and thread. So what you need to do is you just select the staircase and look closer, and here's the main majority. You can able to click 1 and 2. You can able to select 1 and 2 here, one arrow and one dot here. Try not to select over this. If you select this arrow, it will be like extension of the staircase. It look like the staircase. It's not adding. If you want to add in, you going to closer. You careful to select on this dot point. You look over this. You have to select. Then you press down and point and a horizontal. You just drag. Then will be appear the gray outline. Look over this, the gray outline. If you drop to the left side, it doesn't appear. If you reach to another one more step, it will be appear the gray outline. You just let go to the left clip, just like that. Then it will be show you 23 plus 1. then you can look over this design number is 23. You look over into the property, it will show you designer is 23, actual riser 171.7 is all correct, and actual thread is 275 is all correct. Then how about the session? Is the setting up is changed or not? Then 1567 from the basement is all correct. Then you look like this point, it makes sense, so it's like a reality. So what you need to do that after you modify, after you add one more riser, without changing all the value of the riser and thread. The riser and thread is so important thing. It's a design number, it will show you automatically 23, but you have to add on, but actual riser is 24 here. Actual number is 24. Don't change to actual number is 24. If you change to 24, the setting out will be gone. The setting out will be wrong. So what, after you get all the value is correct, then you go into edit mode, finish, edit mode. Just click OK. Then what you need to do that, this is a floor, you can edit on the plan or whatever. This is a reference floor only. Then I can move to another point. It look reality. It look like real one. Okay, in this floor, we go into this. Then look over into the 3D. So I will hide one. It look like so reality. So it's now this the staircase is correct. So I hope you understand this video and how to make it right without changing the setting up. The setting up is architect is already giving you the setting up they want, what they wanted to, the clearance or whatever the size that you follow, but it's not realized on the ground. So you can change this method. So how are you going to the smart to create the staircase? Okay, next video I was going to show you bigger staircase creation. Please thumbs up, like and subscribe and share. Bye bye.